Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about a lovely flowering plant called Mimulus. Mimulus, also known as monkey flowers, are short, compact flowering plants that we grow in winters in our region. These are annual plants and they have many varieties. They have really beautiful flowers and the flowers come in various colors and patterns. They're not very popular plants here, but they are very beautiful. You should definitely try growing these. These are very easy to grow plants, and for the compact size, they are great for growing in containers. The plants grow short in height. As you can see, they're growing so well in this pot. I have planted 2 plants in an 8-inch pot and they are growing perfectly fine. An 8-inch pot for one plant is enough. You don't need a bigger container to grow them. Mimulus plants are moisture-loving plants. They grow very well in damp conditions. You can grow them in full sun or partial shade. I think they grow best in partial shade. When the weather gets hot, they don't like too much direct sunlight. So give them morning sun and you can give them afternoon shade to get better flowers and a healthier plant. I usually buy little plants from my local nursery. If you don't get saplings, then you can also grow them from seeds. For potting mix, I have taken loose garden soil. Mimulus plants like lots of moisture, also a well-draining soil. Mix good quality compost with your garden soil so they get all the nutrients. Some bone meal to boost flowering. You can also use coco peat to retain moisture. As fertilizer, you can use any organic liquid fertilizer. I use mustard cake. After 20 to 30 days, you can use a little bone meal for better flowering. They don't need anything else. Watering is quite important. You have to be a little careful when watering the plants because they don't like dry soil. Too much dryness can damage the plants. They need constant moisture to stay fresh. So always water them when you see the soil is getting dry. You can also spray water on the foliage time to time to keep them looking fresh. I haven't faced any pest problems with the plants, so pest won't be an issue. After the flowers are dry, you should remove them and prune the seed pods to encourage more flowering and a healthier plant. Other than all this, there isn't much to do. They grow quite well with little care. They're very easy to grow plants. You can also propagate them through cuttings, so definitely grow them in your garden if you haven't. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye!